Hello! In this video I will show you how to display internet speed on status bar on BLACKVIEW A80s. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in internet speed and click search. And now you have to select this application and click install. And now you can click open. And as you can see, my internet speed is now displayed on status bar. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.